So this is an update we're doing from a hostel.
Maine Roadhouse.
Yeah, Maine Roadhouse. Amazing people. We love them. We love the Jens. They're awesome. So this is kind of a special update about our plan moving forward. We had a little incident yesterday in southern Maine on one of the mountains. You want to explain a little bit about that, Chad?
Just we took off yesterday morning. It was hot and humid and like normal.
When he says take off, we started on the trail again, climbing a mountain immediately.
Took off got about 10 minutes into the climb, and my legs just like fell apart. They I've lost 31 pounds in less than a month, and my body just can't keep up with that big change. So my legs fell. I went down to my knees. I was on my knees for just a couple seconds, and then just kept on going all the way down until my face was literally in the dirt.
He was like in the dirt, and I was like, "Are you okay? What's happening right now?" Like it was so weird.
I was down for like 10 or 15 minutes. I was finally got enough strength to get up, and then I was right back down.
Yeah.
So we decided to take another day of rest here at the Maine Roadhouse.
And I took him to the doctor. Oh my God.
No big deal.
Yeah.
Doctor said nothing is concerning. I'm just exhausted. So
yeah, he's got extreme exhaustion.
Just exhaustion, the heat and humidity, the weight loss, the loss of energy. So we're trying to get some food back in me. I haven't thrown it up or anything. I just can't. I just not eating because it's just too hot, and I just don't feel like eating. So yeah, that's about it. We just took a day off yesterday. We're gonna take another day off today, and basically a day off tomorrow to do our plan B.
Yes, plan B.
Which is we're gonna drive down to Massachusetts. The trail's a little easier down there, so hoping we can get my energy, my food back on track, and start in Massachusetts, and then do a little section there, and then do this thing called one of the hikers called it a slinky. So there's the southbound, which is what we were doing, the northbound, which is the traditional way. There's flip-flops. We're gonna do a slinky now, so we're gonna do a section and then come back and do another section, then go back and do another section. Yeah, just like a slinky. So
something like that. Yeah. So we're going down to Massachusetts. As a recap, we're going to start heading south, and hopefully in a few weeks, 3-4 weeks maybe, we'll have better trail legs, because it takes a good while to get like real trail legs. And then we'll see how we feel about coming back up to do southern Maine, and especially the whites and the presidentials. That's something that I definitely don't want to miss, but it's just not going to happen right now. So
no big deal, just a change of plans.
Yeah, we'll still be back on the trail in a couple days. All right, got anything else?
That's it.
Okay,
just a wet willy.
Oh my God, no.